Toyota's rough terrain and truck contributions are the freshest they've at any point been following a bustling 2 years of new items, and after a significant delay, it's at last time for the 4Runner to get the modernization treatment. As anticipated, the 2025 4Runner offers its foundation with the new Tacoma pickup truck and comes standard with the equivalent turbocharged 4-chamber powertrain that makes 278 pull. A crossover model with 326 drive is likewise offered. However, we survey that model independently. Toyota has held the standard lower back window, and the new 4Runner's outside plan stays square-jawed, attractive, and rough. The remainder of the bundle has been entirely refreshed as well, and discretionary tech highlights incorporate a 14.0-inch infotainment touchscreen, a head-up show, a 12.3-inch computerized measure show, and a remote cell phone charging cushion. A large group of driver help highlights are likewise offered, and a considerable lot of them are standard. However, try not to feel that the 4Runner has gone delicate. It accompanies a lot of going 4x4 romping stuff to assist you with handling anything the path tosses at you. Hope to see the new 4Runner in Toyota display areas toward the finish of 2024. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's go. If the interior of the 4Runner seems like deja vu, that's because it borrows a lot of its design cues from the Tacoma pickup truck. The layout of the dashboard and the infotainment system mirrors that of its truck counterpart. Throughout the cabin, you'll find cleverly placed storage compartments, and all the controls seem intuitively positioned for the driver's convenience. But here's where the 4Runner sets itself apart: the optional third-row seat. While it might be a bit snug for adults, it's perfect for kids or the occasional extra passenger. And here's a neat trick. Roll down all 4 windows, lower the power-operated rear window, and open up the optional sunroof, and suddenly you've got a pseudo-convertible. It's not quite the same as riding in a Wrangler or a Ford Bronco with the tops off, but it's a pretty darn close experience, allowing everyone inside to soak in the beauty of nature as you tackle the trails. Every 4Runner packs a punch with its 278 horsepower turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. While rear-wheel drive comes standard, you can opt for the full-time 4-wheel drive system, complete with a 2-speed transfer case offering both high and low range capabilities. Equipped to tackle any terrain, the 4Runner offers an array of off-road features, from optional disconnecting stabilizer bars to a locking rear differential and an off-road cruise control system. And if you're eyeing the hybrid models, they come with even more off-road enhancements like manually adjustable dampers, although we'll delve into those details separately in our review. Anticipated to hit the market with a starting price of approximately $43,000 and reaching up to $54,000 depending on your chosen trim and additional features, the 2025 Toyota 4Runner promises a range of options to suit every driver's preferences. While Toyota hasn't officially disclosed the pricing for the 2025 4Runner just yet, it's likely we'll see a modest increase compared to the 2024 model. Expect familiar options like the SR5 Limited and an assortment of TRD branded trims, but if you're eyeing the top-tier trail hunter, you'll need to consider the 4Runner hybrid variant. Stay tuned for the latest updates on pricing straight from Toyota. Once the official figures are out, we'll ensure this story gets a timely refresh with all the details, along with recommendations on which trim might best suit your needs. If you liked the video, you can subscribe to the channel and be informed about the next videos. See you in the next video.